Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, as I'm sitting here editing this footage, I've figured out that something happened with my memory card. No idea. But it did not take my intro at all. So here is my intro as I'm editing. What I did was a headlight restoration on a Pontiac Torrent, essentially a Chevy Equinox. So we got the headlight restoration knocked out. Started out with 800 grit sandpaper, followed by 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, and then I polished it out and put a sealant on top of it so it'll last a while. That's my process. This is the headlight restoration. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, so the GoPro battery died. I don't know what the last thing you saw was, but here is the final result, what the Pontiac Torrent looks like. And you can do this at home by yourself. You don't need to have the Milwaukee or anything like that. You can do it by hand and get very, very, very good results. You know, I mean, by the time you buy all the stuff for what I charge, it's about cheaper just to have me do it, because then you're not out the time. So anyways, this is what we've got. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please drop a like in the bottom. If you like this content, subscribe. There's going to be a whole lot more detailing stuff, probably a whole lot more headlight stuff. I do quite a bit of headlight restorations. So yeah, other than that, peace out. I hope you guys have a great day.